My goal with Better Pie Menu is to be as fast as possible, to be mouse-centric, having everything on the mouse and not having to go inside the UI. So let me show you a little workflow on a simple example, nothing complicated. So let's add a simple plane. Let's scale it like that. I can apply the scale if I want. Let's add a monkey, shade smooth, add subdivision surface, go to the side view. I will rotate it, let's see, like that. Let's move it here. Let's go to the front view. Let's make a rotation. Shift to slow down. Let's move it vertically. As you can see, I don't use the widgets. I just use the select. It's faster in my opinion. So let's make a rotation here. Okay. So right now I have this. I will add a light. I will add a spotlight because I want to use a spotlight. On this spotlight I will call the smart menu and I will pick this object as track 2. So like that I can rotate my spotlight as I want. Okay. So now let's use rendered like that. As you can see in the viewport shading I have sunlight and sun world. Okay, I can hide the grid because I don't want to have the grid. I will call the smart menu for my lights. Let's enter 1. That will give me something like that. As you can see, this is pretty ugly because this is basic Eevee. So let's use Eevee with ray tracing. Okay, as you can see, I added some presets. Let's add another light. Let's add a point light and let's move this point light. So if I increase the power, as you can see, that will give me this. So let's change the color. And as you can see, I can change the type of light as I want. Okay, I can also disable the light and keep it in the 3D view. So let's decrease the power up, and I don't want shadows on this one, like that, up. So let's move it maybe more here, and let's maybe increase the power. Okay. On this object, let's add a plastic. I wanted a plastic, so let's use a plastic. I was too fast. And on this one, let's use the gold, because why not? So I have this result. I will select my light. I will play with the radius for the shadow here. I will play with the spot blend. I will change the color. Up. Yes, not so bad. I will, right now, let's split the view. Let's add a camera. As you can see, up. I will select my object like that. I can press A and select my cam. And like that I can move this. Okay. On this one, on this part, let's use render 2, because why not? So on this one I will disable the overlays. Okay. So it's okay. On my camera, I will select my camera. I can add a track 2 if I want. I will activate the depot field and I will select this button and pick where I want the depot field. And if I change the value 0.1 on the depot field, as you can see, I will have this result. So just to show you, if I zoom on my view, up, I will have this. I can press shift and click to add an empty. So you can see it here. So let's place it. As you can see, I will move it up, 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 here. So if I show the overlays, that will give me this result. Okay. So now let's increase the value. 2.2 should be enough. Let's move this like that. Okay. I can, if I want, on the camera, change the resolution here to have something more like that. Up, I will keep it like that. Bam. Okay, and that should work. So let's try to move this one a little bit to have something better. Okay, why not add a second one? Let's see here. On this one, why not add an area and change the value up, 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 up. Okay, let's decrease all of this. Just a little bit. Maybe a point light. It's better with the point light. And I can change the color. Like that. Okay. So just like that, as you can see, you can edit absolutely everything inside the 3D view. You don't have to go to in the UI. It was pretty easy, nothing complicated. This is a little and simple example. And that's it. Tell me what do you think about this?